Welcome to the Waimakariri Libraries. My name is Samantha and we're making this video today to show you a couple of tips on how to use your Android smartphone. Although your phone may look slightly different to the one I am using, you should be able to find the same functions on your phone as well. First of all, here are some tips that might help you to move around your phone. You can swipe up, down, left and right on most phones. Feel free to give it a go. The little dots at the bottom of the page can tell you how many more pages there are, and you'll see that which dot is highlighted changes as you swipe through the pages. Usually, the phone will have a button in the middle at the bottom of the screen which will return you to the home screen from wherever you are. There will also be a button on the bottom of the screen which will take you back one step. The other button, usually on the bottom left-hand side, allows you to switch between apps, meaning that if you have one app open, you can leave it open and still use another app at the same time. This can be really helpful if you need to access email while applying for something online. This button also often gives you the option to close all of the open apps. The term app is short for applications, and there are a huge range of apps available for free, such as games, shopping, communication, and banking apps. To download an app, go to the Play Store and search for the app you are looking for. Then tap on Download or Install. You'll need to have an account set up for the Play Store to do this. When setting up an account, you'll be asked for credit card details, but you can skip that part of the process if you only want free apps. Once downloaded, the app icon will appear on your screen. You can usually delete any apps you don't want just by holding down on the app icon. You can also move apps around just by holding it down and dragging it across your screen. Thank you for watching our smartphones video. If you would like to attend a regular smartphones class, feel free to ask us at one of our Waimakariri libraries today. You can also make a time for individual help, either in person or over the phone, using our Book a Librarian service. Ka kite!